What's the meaning of con brio? Con brio. Con brio.
Con brio. Con brio. Con brio is an Italian musical term that means with vigor or with spirit. It is used as a directive to performers who are expected to play a piece of music with energy, enthusiasm, and a sense of liveliness. When musicians play con brio, they create a dynamic and exciting performance that engages the audience and brings the music to life. The result is a lively and enthusiastic rendition of the piece, with a strong emotional impact that connects with the listener and leaves a lasting impression.